Hello guys, let's unbox this new smartphone with amazing camera features like DSLR camera. It comes with amazing camera sensor. This phone comes with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 chipset, the version with a 3.36 GHz prime core and boosted GPU. The phone runs on a 5100 mAh battery and supports 80W fast charging. The ZTE Nubia Z50 Pro comes with 3-color edition. Let's talk about camera feature of this phone. This phone has wonderful camera specs. Comes with 35mm lens, a Nubia trademark. It's a 1G plus 6P lens with a wide f/1.59 aperture, OIS, and a decently large 50MP January 1st, 49-inch sensor. And also 50MP ultra-wide camera with a 13mm lens, and there's an 80mm tele lens with a 16MP sensor behind it.